Hi, I'm Agnes Sowa. I am with Applied Materials Smart Factory. Applied Materials is primarily a manufacturing provider of software and tooling solutions in wafer fabs, as well as assembly and test, but also with solutions in battery gigafactories. We found a lot of similarities between the processes in wafer fab manufacturing as well as gigafactories building battery cells. And we've paraded that into some smart factory solutions and some software that we think is remarkably effective. So I was here talking about using some process control and quality control methods and tying them in with your maintenance and really creating preventative predictive maintenance schedules based on SPC and fault detection data. That is one set of solutions that works remarkably well in gigafactories. We have a decent presence with battery customers right now. In North America specifically, 39% of the cells built are using Applied SmartFactory solutions in some way, shape, or form. This is why we are here to try to talk about it and get customers to see some of the value that our existing customers see already. To learn more, go to appliedsmartfactory.com. This is our website. There is a specific area for battery, and please connect with me. I'm Agnes Sowa.